Before you make a decision on buying the landing page software, there are 12 key things you need to know. These are points you won't find easily in product reviews, and they'll give you a clear idea if this software is the right fit for your business. By the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if it's the best option or if you should look elsewhere. First off, one of the main benefits of this landing page software is its simplicity. Compared to other platforms like Wix or Leadpages, which can be a bit overwhelming with advanced features, this tool focuses on ease of use. If you're looking for a quick, no-hassle setup, this is a solid choice. Next thing to consider is its template selection. It offers a range of customizable templates that are designed for conversion. But if you're familiar with Unbounce or Instapage, you might find the template variety a bit limited. The templates are good, but they don't offer the same level of sophistication or variety as some competitors. The third thing is its speed. This software is optimized for quick loading times, which is essential for conversion rates. When comparing it to other platforms like ClickFunnels, which can sometimes feel sluggish, this tool performs admirably in keeping your pages snappy and responsive. Moving on to integrations, this is the fourth thing you need to know. It integrates well with popular tools like MailChimp and Google Analytics. However, if you rely heavily on other CRM systems or need custom integrations, you might find it lacking. While competitors offer broader integration options, for most users, this will be sufficient. The fifth thing is pricing. This platform has an affordable starting plan, making it accessible for smaller businesses or those just starting out. When compared to high-end services like Instapage, which charges a premium for similar features, this one offers more value for those on a budget. Next, let's talk about A/B testing. This is a must-have feature, and while this tool provides it, it's not as advanced as the ones from Unbounce or Leadpages. The A/B testing features are there, but if you're an expert looking for deep insights, this might not fully satisfy your needs. The seventh thing to note is customer support. This software has solid support with live chat and email responses. However, if you compare it to competitors like GetResponse, you might find the response time slower. It's reliable, but it doesn't stand out in this area. The eighth point to remember is mobile optimization. It's built in and works seamlessly, ensuring that your landing pages look great on any device. If you're comparing it to platforms like HubSpot, which provide advanced mobile tools, this one still does the job, but there are more powerful options available if you need more customization. Next, let's talk about analytics. The software provides basic insights, like traffic and conversion tracking, which is essential for any landing page tool. However, if you're comparing this to more sophisticated platforms like Google Optimize, you'll notice that the analytics are a bit basic. It's good for beginners, but you might want something more detailed if you're running large campaigns. The 10th thing is the learning curve. Even though it's simple to use, some people might find themselves frustrated with the lack of advanced features. If you're someone who's used to working with tools like WordPress or Elementor, you might feel a bit restricted here. Now, number 11 is the ability to scale. This software is perfect for small to medium-sized businesses, but if you need enterprise-level features and scalability, you might want to look at something like ClickFunnels or Leadpages. It's not built for big companies with massive needs. Finally, the 12th thing to consider is overall value. Compared to competitors, this platform offers a great price-to-feature ratio for those who don't need all the bells and whistles. It's perfect for smaller businesses that need a simple, reliable tool. In conclusion, this landing page software is a solid option for those looking for simplicity, speed, and affordability. However, if you're after a more robust solution with advanced features, we recommend checking out our top-rated alternative. You can try it for free and see if it fits your business needs.